we're making banana muffins. I used to do it all alone, but Esther wanted to join, so I let her join. You're so cute, right? Because I'm her brother. And no, I'm her brother. Seriously. I'm not brother, I'm a sister. Yeah, you're just a sister. Okay, let's get started. Bananas are so squishy that you won't even imagine. Ew, 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 ew. I don't know why, but you're not gonna know when it's on iTunes because we don't play. Alright, that's the last of it. Because I'm the chef. We're both the chef, everyone. Alrighty, we're gonna cook banana muffins. And then we're gonna put a teaspoon of oil in. Put it in there, okay? Carefully. Yep, there we go. My sister Esther put the oil in, and then I'm going to do the next one. We're going to have to mix it, and we're going to mix it. But we have to make teaspoons. Esty, we're going to mix it with this, okay? Oh, we're going to put in 4 eggs, okay, guys? And if you see a shell in there and the banana dough, take them out, okay? All right. There we go. Okay. Now, Esty, just crack them. Esty, crack it really hard, okay? I got it. Esty's having a little trouble with her legs, with her eggs. Esty's 3 years old and I'm 6 years old. The next thing is the most important thing. You have to pour a cup of vanilla in. You pour it in. It's good ingredients. That's the ingredients. You have to focus, sorry. Because it's Esther and he's just chef and mommy's chef. Okay, Esther. Mommy doesn't know how to cook. Put it in the mixer, okay, everyone? It's not down. Smells so good. Slowly put in 2.5 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. It's okay to get messy while you're baking. Only guess it's gonna be so good. And then I'm gonna taste it at the end because I'm the chef. We're both the chefs. And put in chocolate chips. But be careful, could get a little messy. Right, so guys, now we're gonna put in a 1.5 teaspoon of chocolate chips. A milk cooking show is done. That was so yummy. And this is what the cupcakes look like. Okay, I saved them for my Abba's birthday. His name is really Abba, but you actually call him Father, but we call him Abba. These smell so good. I can't wait for Abba's birthday. Bye. Bye.